Alright, our early evening continues. December 24th, 2024. CN Hayes here, 1810, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, again with another video lined up. Southbound Q on the way after meeting M357, led by the 2305 up at Murray. Check them out on the rollbys, we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Seems like I hear a Canadian K3L on this one now. GECX rebuild, that was better than the 3375. How about that? That's still ready, GECX 9353. End of train device is going. How about that for another catch? And that is going to do it for the Q196, 51 of the 19th. We'll do it for the 3264 to lead it. And the DPU of my next new C6M rebuild of the new 3375. Not bad at all. And that's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin on this Christmas Eve night. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great evening. Have a happy holiday to you all. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out. Happy holidays, everyone.